Welcome back to Healthsabram, your ultimate source for all things health and wellness. In today's video, we're excited to bring you a compilation of 30 exercise tutorials and techniques to ignite your fitness journey. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your fitness routine or an experienced fitness enthusiast seeking new challenges, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore a wide range of exercises, from strength training to cardio and flexibility exercises, with step-by-step tutorials and expert tips. Get ready to elevate your fitness game and achieve your health and wellness goals. Let's dive in. Lower body exercises. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower your hips back and down, and then push through your heels to return to a standing position. Squats target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push through the heel of your front foot to return to the starting position. Lunges target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Deadlifts. Stand with your feet hip width apart, bend at the hips while keeping your back straight, and lower the weights towards the floor. Push through your heels to return to a standing position. Deadlifts target your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top, and lower back down. Glute bridges target your glutes and hamstrings. Calf raises. Stand with your feet hip width apart, rise onto your toes, and then lower your heels back down. Calf raises target your calf muscles. Upper body exercises. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest is close to the floor, then push back up. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Dumbbell chest press. Lie on a bench or the floor, holding dumbbells above your chest. Lower the weights towards your chest, then push them back up. Dumbbell chest presses target your chest and triceps. Shoulder press. Hold dumbbells at shoulder height, palms facing forward. Push the weight straight up overhead, then lower them back down. Shoulder presses target your shoulders and triceps. Bent over rows. Hold dumbbells with your palms facing inward, hinge at the hips, and let your arms hang down. Pull the weights up towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then lower them back down. Bent over rows target your back and biceps. Bicep curls. Hold dumbbells with your palms facing forward, elbows close to your sides. Curl the weights up towards your shoulders, then lower them back down. Bicep curls target your biceps. Core exercises. Plank. Start in a push-up position with your elbows resting on the ground. Hold your body in a straight line, engaging your core muscles. Planks target your abs, back, and shoulders. Russian twists. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the ground. Twist your torso from side to side, touching the ground on each side. Russian twists target your obliques and abs. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and hands behind your head. Bring your opposite elbow to meet your knee as you extend the other leg. Alternate sides in a cycling motion. Bicycle crunches target your abs and obliques. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Lift your legs up towards the ceiling, then lower them back down without touching the floor. Leg raises target your lower abs. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs. Continue alternating legs in a running motion. Mountain climbers target your abs, shoulders, and legs. Cardiovascular exercises. Jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs and raising your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Jumping jacks increase your heart rate and work your entire body. High knees. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible towards your chest. High knees provide a great cardio workout and engage your core and leg muscles. Burpees. Start in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, and explosively jump up. Burpees work your entire body and elevate your heart rate. Jump squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower into a squat, then explode up into a jump, landing softly back into a squat. Jump squats combine strength training with cardiovascular exercise. Running in place. Lift your knees high as you run in place, simulating the motion of running. Running in place is a convenient cardio exercise that can be done indoors. Flexibility and mobility exercises. Standing forward fold. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, bend forward from your hips, and reach towards your toes. Allow your upper body to relax and hang. Standing forward fold. Stretch your hamstrings and lower back. Child's pose. Start on your hands and knees, then sit back on your heels, lowering your forehead towards the ground. Extend your arms in front of you. Child's pose stretches your back, hips, and shoulders. Cat-cow stretch. Start on your hands and knees, arch your back upwards like a cat, then lower your belly towards the ground while lifting your head and tailbone. Repeat the movement, flowing between cat and cow positions. Cat-cow stretches your spine and improves flexibility. Hip flexor stretch. Kneel on one knee, with the other foot planted in front of you. Lean forward, keeping your back straight, to stretch the hip flexor of the kneeling leg. Hip flexor stretches help release tension in the hip area. Standing quad stretch. Stand tall, bend one knee, and bring your foot towards your glutes, grabbing your ankle or foot with your hand. Standing quad stretches target the quadriceps muscles. Full body workout circuit. Combine exercises from different categories into a circuit-style workout for a comprehensive full body workout. This can include a combination of squats, push-ups, planks, burpees, and more. Tips for proper form and technique. To maximize the effectiveness of your workouts and minimize the risk of injury, it's important to maintain proper form and technique. Remember to keep your spine neutral, engage your core muscles, use controlled movements, and consult a fitness professional if you're unsure about proper form. Modifications and progressions. If you're a beginner or have physical limitations, modifications can help you perform exercises safely and comfortably. On the other hand, for those seeking a greater challenge, progressions can add intensity and complexity to your workouts. It's important to listen to your body and choose the appropriate level of difficulty for your fitness level. Congratulations on exploring these 30 exercise tutorials and techniques to ignite your fitness journey. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you'll be able to target different muscle groups, improve cardiovascular fitness, enhance flexibility, and make progress on your health and wellness goals. Remember to start at your own pace, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Stay tuned for more valuable content on Healthsabram, where we share insights and strategies for a healthier and happier life. Get ready to transform your fitness journey and unlock your full potential. Keep moving and stay motivated.